836-1400. We make loans to people, not to credit scores.
Next, all new Ellen, Jermaine Jackson with thoughts on the Conrad Murray verdict, plus Tay Diggs and Kermit the Frog. Ellen, today at 4 on Channel 7. What could be wrong with a call from your congressman today? Turns on the nerd.
You disgust me.
New Survivor, CBS tonight.
It's Wednesday, November 9th, and the talk is live. The day's top talkers, a sex abuse scandal rocks one of the country's top universities, and the reputation of a legendary football coach is on the line. What did he know? When did he know it? And were the lines...
It's 2 o'clock.
Turn on the next station. That's dumb.
Two. Yep, that's the feeder.
Look at the speakers on showing. Waiting for 18 minutes.
They say it's only supposed to last for 30 seconds.
Emergency alert system. It was heard nationwide on every TV station and radio channel. And we want to reiterate that even though it may have sounded like a real emergency, it was only a test. There's no need for any alarm whatsoever. Federal officials conducted today's test to assess the readiness and effectiveness of the system. So we now return you to our regular programming.
It's over with, so you can stop it now.
He was never told.